Hello guys, welcome to the very short summary of the day. It's the early video. At the beginning I need to say that I apologize if there will be anything loud behind me, because my kid is now at home for the whole week. We have the quarantine in kindergarten, so I will do my best to record this as fast as possible without any noises. So I'm recording this because I got a nice message from one of our ladies, which joined not so long time ago. It is like all puzzles together. And then when I read our chat, it's impressive that many of you took the same trade opportunity with really good reading of volume. I'm very impressed. So thank you guys for making this chat active. And let's go about the zones. On the first day, we had here the value area, highest volume played. On Friday, we had a fresh made supply zone based on this huge leg out. Look guys, leg out with imbalances and extremely high volume. So this supply caused the break of this low, break of the structure. Incredible. So two confirmations, value area with the supply. Then on the M5 I marked something. I marked here the not accumulation, sorry, I'm looking for a word, the absorption. The absorption happened on the Friday in late time. Let's see how it looks like on the footprint. I marked with the green lines the highest play volume. Even here is the unfinished auction on top. As Paul the Trigger mentioned during the weekend, this is all we see here is the played volume, right? The executed orders. What is executed orders? Everything what price met on the way. So limit orders, market executions, and even stop orders. So then we have the biggest numbers. So this is the big disproportion on volume. If before was normal, and then we have hundreds, and prices, as on the course I said, is ranging. Yes, there's no movement on the price. We can say that this is the absorption. Also, on the member contribution, I said some of my observation that if could be some reason why there appeared so big volume to push the price up, but also this can be the activated sell limit orders on the ask side. But I really always love to mark what was above the absorption, because really maybe the biggest sell limit order was here. That here could be the activation of sell limit orders or still big buy order executions to move the price higher. So once again I marked all these levels, and just in case what could be the cluster above, why there was so big fight and why the sellers absorbed the buyers, with showing to us there's no more demand. So let's move to today's price action. Once again we see absorption, big disproportion in price, made a range. Yes, this is the M5 chart, so 15 minutes range, and on top finished auction, no more interest of going higher. This is wonderful. Sorry, my kids start singing. I just need to close the door for maybe 5 minutes. And let's switch to the M1. On the M1, London opened with it was a very aggressive open of the session, and we could read this as really absorption. Price came here with the compression. So compression moved to the supply and to the value area from Thursday. Just reading the volume, you can see how big volume was played here. Appeared the negative delta, so you could expect the drop. but joining after absorption, the volume was still high. I could, maybe I wouldn't enter exactly here, and then I would look for my preferred entries with the imbalance. And the first big I found here, the 38 to the 0, and the volume was 166. And while coming back here, it was still high volume. I wouldn't join the market, so it would make my setup invalid. But when price came deeper, my apologize, to this absorption level, we can see very big difference in volume. It was lowering to the down. So maybe I would join somewhere here. There was the 48 and negative delta, and I would be in small drawdown, but it was the perfect entry, perfect looking for how to join the market. And so I'm really proud to see that you caught this wave and where to aim for without being greedy. As if entry could be here, still 3 pips as L was safe. It was like 1 pip in drawdown and aiming for the Asian low, which was here. It was the Asian low. Even above the Asian low, we get equal lows. So the wave was like 33 pips, 1 to the 11. Don't be too greedy. Don't try to predict if price want to go lower. Now it's wonderful rejection, break of imbalances, and this we call liquidity grab. So all puzzles together. Please practice. Only practice will give you to the another level. It was the textbook setup, and thank you for taking this sell.